Hello dear friends, my name is Bharat and you're watching the Indore Mandi Bhav YouTube channel. In this video I am just going to show you that what exactly we have the prices of garlic, what the prices of onion and what the prices of potato. So when we talk about the onion and garlic and potato, let me say you something first that what exactly we have. It's a date of 19 April and the day is what we have the Friday. And when we talk about the garlic, the garlic have price having almost today it's around 18,500 and one garlic which we shown there and it is still didn't sold out, but as I am thinking that garlic will be sold be around 20,000, but the highest price of still now means when I am shooting the video at that time I just saw the prices of highest prices 18,700 rupees. And when we talk about the different qualities, I am going to show you in this video. And when we talk about the onion, today the onion actually sold for 18 rupees and 35 paisa. That was having the good quality which I has already shooted and you will see in this video. And when we talk about the potato, so today the potato was the highest price was 25, but when we talk about the average potatoes price, that was 21 and 22 rupees, and that is totally up to the quality of the potato. And some potatoes having the low quality, so that was having 17 rupees and 18 rupees also. The same way we have in onion also. Onion is having also 16 rupees, 15 rupees, and the same thing is in a garlic also. The teeny size having the 9,800, I mean 8,000 the quintals. And when we talk about the kilos, it's 80 rupees or 90 rupees. And when we talk about the highest price, that is almost 185 rupees. And might be possible today the one quality which I just shown there, but it still didn't sold out. That one sold out. I mean sell out. That will be might be possible 200 rupees kg. Now let's see some the garlic which is sold for different prices. Let me show you the different garlics. We are going to talk with the farmers also. There those who sold the क्या नाम है आपका?
मोहन.
So his name is Mohan. दादा कहाँ से आए?
तराना से मोहन कुमावत.
Tarana से. So he is from Tarana. Tarana basically is near of Indore. So let's ask some question regarding with the garlic which we show now in this video. The teeny size garlic I am telling about that one is. आज क्या नहीं ये इंग्लिश वाला वीडियो इसकी. आज क्या भाव गया आज आपका?
आज ये गया
7,600 और एक और माल 5,700. So he is having the two variety of the garlic. The one is sold for 7,600. Another one is 5,700. अभी कितना माल पड़ा घर पे?
घर पे 20 कट्टे और है.
बाकी बेच दिया. So very we can say that he is only having 20 bags still remaining of the garlic and almost he sold the garlic. दादा आपका बिक गया? क्या नाम दादा?
हुआ है.
उत्पादन. Now this year the production of the garlic is very less as the farmer is telling to me, and I know already about that one is that in this year the garlic production is very less as well as the onion production is very less. We have the another farmer also we need to talk with also him. क्या नाम दादा आपका? कृष्णा नागर जी कहाँ से आए?
देपालपुर.
So his name is Krishna and he is from Depalpur. आज क्या भाव गया लहसुन अब? 11,300. So he sold the garlic for the price of 11,300. As I already mentioned you that we have a lot of different varieties that is also sold for 18,500. Up to the varieties, that which kind of variety the farmer is having, he will get the price. But as compared to yesterday, the price of the garlic is increasing, and we can say we have the 500 or 600 rupees is still increase in the price of as compared to yesterday. I'm telling about the quintals. आपका बिक गया दादा? क्या भाव बिका? क्या नाम? 12,020. So he sold for 12,020 rupees. दादा आपका क्या बिका? 12,680. So the farmers now today the farmers got the good price as compared to yesterday. चलिए जय जवान जय किसान जय बलराम. ठीक है. So dear friend, that is ultimately teeny size garlic we have, and the price of the garlic is 7,600 rupees. We have the farmer with us. We need to talk to the farmer. Dear friend, that one is sold 14,300 rupees. When we see the garlic, you can see the garlic is big size also. We have the medium size garlic we can see here. Now we have the farmer with us. We need to talk to the farmer also. क्या नाम है?
रमेश यादव.
So his name is Ramesh Yadav. कहाँ से आए आप?
खुर्द के पास शामगी.
So he is from the cook food. Ultimately, I'm just telling to you the farmers who is coming in Indore Mandi. They are near of Indore, surrounding 50 kilometers, 60 kilometers, 70 kilometers. Let's ask some question related with the garlic. अभी आज क्या भाव मिला आपने? 14,300. अभी अच्छा भाव मिला?
अच्छा भाव.
Now he is telling that he got the good price of today, the garlic price. And let's ask him another question related with the garlic also. अभी घर पे कितना माल पड़ा हुआ?
अभी ये 50-60
50-60. और स्टार्टिंग में कितना था? अच्छा अभी निकाला. So now he just
25 कट्टे लाए.
अभी 25 का. So he just sold 25 bags and still remaining 50 bags. Let's ask related with the villagers. How many villagers having what up to means how much they sold garlic. अभी कितना माल बेच दिया गाँव वालों ने?
अभी कम से कम बेचा है माल.
कम से कम
2-3 गाड़ी माल बेचा है.
अच्छा दादा आज हाईएस्ट क्या गया? So you know we need to ask to the also people that आपने कुछ हाईएस्ट देखा आज? क्या भाव देखा हाईएस्ट? 17,000. I have also seen the 18,700 rupees, and as he also shown, I mean seen the video, not video, but he saw at the time when the people were selling the garlic, and he just saw the 17,000 rupees. क्या नाम दादा आपका? गुलाब सिंह जी. So his name is ultimately Rose. चलिए. जय जवान. जय किसान. जय बलराम. ठीक है. Watching from out of the country, you can see also that how the women are working here. देखिए इस तरह से काम होता है. You can see here the women are working here. This is our mandi in Indore. I just want to show you something. Look at it now. How the people are just we can say bidding. Dear friend, this garlic sold for 21,420 rupees. So that one is the highest price in Indore Mandi. When we talk about the kilo, it's 21,400. Ultimately, you can say it's a 215 rupees kilogram. You can look at the garlic. The size of the garlic is very big. Means it's we can say full size ultimately. So his name is Raghunath and he is from Maharashtra से ना अपन?
महाराष्ट्र.
क्या भाव गया अपना प्याज है? So he sold the price is 18 rupees and 30 paisa. Means I am just talking about the kilo. And when the price is good, when you can see the face of the farmer, when the price was 12 rupees, 10 rupees at that time, the face of farmers is not so good. But now he is happy. You can see आप खुश है ना अभी अच्छा?
खुश है.
Now he is happy now, but we need that the price will be in coming of time. The price of onion is going to be increased. चलिए जय जवान.
जय किसान.
Jai Kisan, Jai Balram. Friend, that one is sold for 18 rupees and 35 paisa. When we talk about the onion, the color of onion is very good. You can say reddish color we have here. And when we talk about the onion, the size is big, as well as we have the medium sizes also. And that is sold for 18 rupees and 30 paisa. We have the farmers here. We need to talk with the farmers also.